If you walk around with your heart,
holding on Zion, holding on Zion, just sit it on Mount Zion, the ruler of our creation, the Jamaican. I wanna jam with you.
You know we have a show up that way, right?
So yes, babes, tonight that's Gramps Morgan show. I don't know if you can hear me clearly.
Come on, put your hands together.
Yep, so it's a good look so far. People then come out to support.
Of course, we're outside, right?
This is it.
So don't worry.
Stay tuned, your man, hold the fire show up there. Nah, I'm gonna lie.
Because
Yeah.
sounding so good. Alright, so this morning, smile with the rising sun. Bring little bird, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with your rising sun. Three little birds sing by my doorstep. They're singing in sweet songs, with melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." So don't worry about a thing. I can see you over there, because every little thing is gonna be alright. So don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Baby, baby, I'm checking out.
Yes, babes, so this is a local anthem from Cayman, bro. So yes, just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my fortify. So yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, just see what I'm going on.
This seed that I sow, you shall fight for that wild boy. It's something good girls, shake masterpiece, silent, wildin', living it up in the city. You got your song, always sing, look on, you gotta kiss yourself too. But I'm too hot, so the whole reason to find your man. I sing for Jamaican. I wanna jam with you. Oh, I'm for Jamaican. And I hope that you jam me too. I sing for Jamaican. I wanna jam with you. Oh, I'm for Jamaican. And I hope that you jam me too. Let me sing on thousands. The ruler of our creation, the Jamaican. I wanna jam it. I said we're jamming, we're jamming, oh and I hope that you jam me too. Can you pick up again? Gonna be my continental girl. Gonna be the girl. You. Gonna be my continental girl. Gonna be that girl, boy. You. Gonna be that girl. Why? You. Gonna be that girl. Give it up. Yeah. I'm in love with tonight. I'm in love with tonight. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care what nobody does. Me, I love you tonight. Don't give me a heart. Love alone will do. Yeah. I don't care what they say. Keep on doing your thing. Yeah. When you do all those things, you keep on doing. You feel like a kid. Why you keep on echoing? That you wanna do. But I have been your permission. Give it up.
One in a million. Three-time Grammy Award winner. And no one can forget that one song that the women love. A woman like you. And now, in the Cayman Islands, ladies and gentlemen, with an album that everybody loved for its positive vibrations, Cayman Airways, the Ministry of Tourism and Culture, Radio Cayman, Tortuga, Coca-Cola, Cayman Events, Loud Productions presents, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for three-time Grammy Award winner, Gramps Morgan!
Somebody say to you, seven lords my shepherd I know, and make me down to light. In pastures free, shall he let me, but quiet waters find. My soul hath restored and we to walk this way within the path of righteousness, even for his name's sake. Yeah, though I walk through this way, it be like melody. Walk with me, thy light and star, there surely comforts me. Goodness and fair no year. For what we mean I recognize, after surely comfort seal. Goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. I need your voice forevermore. My people of Cayman shall be. Thank you, man. How you feeling? Now, around the corner of me was made me think of you and I'm missing you, girl. Feel like I can't take no more. I've been trying, but you would take my calls. I'm missing you. Girl, I know I messed up, but I messed up. All the little time would bring you back, but I'm a wreck. It clearly wasn't so. So tell me what to do or what to say to make it right. 'Cause I need your arms around Gramps tonight. To me, you're worth a trillion. You're one in a million. I'll never find a woman like you. If you would give back your heart, I swear by Allah, I'd spend a lifetime making it up to you, and every night coming home to you. Oh, 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 brothers, there's 3 simple words that a woman yearns to hear. But ladies, it's also 3 words a man wants to hear. You know what it is? It's baby, I love you, baby, I love you. Yes, I really, really do. Yes, I love you. Yes, I love you. Yes, I really, really do. Oh, yes, I do. No, yes, I do. Oh, oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Ooh, baby, yes, I love you. Yes, I love you. Yes, I really, really do. Yes, I love you. Yes, I love you. Yes, I really, really do. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. I said, baby, I love you. really, really do. Yes, I love you, yes. Like this is the end. Hey, I'm beating and relive, yeah. This memory over and over again. Oh, listen, don't wanna see you cry. Please, baby, dry your eyes. Been through so much with you. Without you, I wouldn't know what to do. We've had our fights in the past. We thought our love wouldn't last. But here we are again. And this time I said, overnight, let you love like this is the end. Let's hold on and relive this memory over and over again. Not regret the same again. Listen, your trust I didn't use in the early years of you. Finally, I've made a change. Thank God you said the same. So let's not stay on this path. Let's not live in the past. 'Cause where we go from here, from my heart I'm now set for one night. Let you love like this is the end. Oh, yeah, and really. This memory over and over again. Take me home like a train. Ladies, are you ready to go? I don't wanna see no fuss and no fighting. Brothers, sometimes we do a lot of wrongs. And ladies, you do too sometimes, yeah. But we don't wanna see the fuss and fight. I just want you to love me down. Now this part of the show, I don't mean to insult the youngsters, but if you're under 25, just close your eyes right now. If you're over 27, this is your part of the show. You ready? I'll pull up the zip on this song. Trouble? Yeah. Listen. It never really mattered too much to me. All right, big people now. Some big people. I mean, some of the young youth and I know nothing. It's being daga, 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 daga. For sure that. It's time to dream. It never really mattered too much to me. That you were just too damn old for me. Yeah. All it really mattered was you were my girlfriend. And baby, it's all that mattered to me. Yeah, let me love you down. And if it takes all night, I know I could. Let me. And if it takes all night, let me. I know I could. No, I would be people, yeah. Ladies, Gramps are telling me, just hush. Even though your man walked away, hush. And you got that burning to bear, hush. Cry to Gramps and shed every tear, hush, hush. You gotta say hush. Even though your man walked away, and you got that burning to bear, hush. Cry to Gramps and shed every tear, hush, hush. say hush. Like to sing with me. You gotta say hush. Only the ladies. You gotta say hush. You gotta say. All you gotta do is say. Now you're. Say hush. Hush. You gotta say hush. Yeah. When your days down here all through, yeah, there's a place up there for people like you. I know you're out there, so keep doing what you do. There's a place up there for people like you. Say it again. There's a place up there for people like. Come and help me sing it. There's a place up there for people like you. Oh yeah, there's a place up there for people like you. Be strong, brother. There's a place up there for people like. Come and help me sing it. Rest in peace to my father, Roy Morgan. Oh, there's a place up there, people like. Do I have to go home now? Oh yeah, I want to sing some praise here.
That is it, people. Yep, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This Gramps Morgan on stage. Yep, so we're out here. You get me, I say? Don't forget to like, subscribe. One fire, all fire. Stay tuned for more.
I'll be hungry soon. I'll be. Oh, I gotta call my brothers and tell them Cayman is ready for a Morgan heritage show. Yes, yeah. I love you all, I'm Gramps Morgan, and I do reggae and country music. Thank you. Oh, there's a place up there for people like. Ooh, yeah, there's a place up there for people. When I roll, let me say, there's a place up there for people like.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Gramps Morgan! All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, we'd like to give a shout out to our sponsors, brought to you by the Ministry of Tourism and Culture, brought to you by Cayman Airways, also brought to you by Radio Cayman, brought to you by Tortuga, Coca-Cola, Loud Productions, Cayman Events, also brought to you by Loud Production. Ladies and gentlemen, Gramps is not leaving yet. Hold on. Right over there where there's a sign that says Gramps Morgan in Cayman, he will be signing those CDs that you bought, those t-shirts that you bought, those books that you bought. So those who would like a meet and greet with Gramps Morgan, stay tuned. In the meantime, we will turn on the audio because it is
So yes, peeps, show done now, so we're heading home. And as I say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright. Yep, so everyone is heading home now. People heading home after a good show. Yep. It's a good turnout so far. Oh. So you know it's gonna be a rush now. Yep. Yeah, you don't know. It's a man, all fire, 777. Back at it again. Yeah, we're out here. So yes, keeps crossing the road. And we take a mark. So as I say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Support the movement. One fire, all fire. Do what you love what you do, and do it to best of your ability. Stay tuned for more. They're coming out.